Today is February 24th, 2021, and I'll be doing this video on ticker symbol SINO. This was on my watch list because it'd been a previous top gainer and top loser, and it was giving a lot of action, like up and down. It was giving opportunities about from 10 to 20% returns, and the daily doesn't look really that great, but there's just a lot of movement. I mean, this is probably, you know, 25%, move. I mean it just moves around a lot. So if you can get a good entry with low risk, I mean, why not take it? Um I took this trade at 11:03 at the price of 850, and it was I got in right here, right on the VWAP bounce, and it started curling up. So that was confirmation for me to get in. And usually when you have a VWAP bounce, it usually follows through. But this one um, this one didn't follow through. Normally this would just keep running, then bouncing off this as support. This would become support, then it just continue higher, but that's not the way this trade worked out. I got stopped out at $8.41 at 11:07. I'd actually placed my stop. I bought it here at 850, and I placed my stop below this candle, and I might even move my stop up, after this bounced, and I started making my stop tighter because I wasn't too sure about what it was gonna do. But it just went through my stop, and I think I got filled at 841, like right down here, even though my stop loss was like up here. It was only supposed to be a risk of 1/2%, but it turned out to be 1% instead. So instead of a loss of $40, it was an $81 loss, 1%. I had bought 900 shares of it, and it looked. Let's see. Let's look at the 10-day, 30-minute chart. And it was just moving all around. I mean, it wasn't like this was like the greatest, chart, but you know, the markets had like sold off a lot, and in recent days, and it looks like they're starting to rebound. Today, there was a oil inventory report that comes out at 10:30, and let me show you. And this is oil right here. And usually, what happens is, when that comes out, whether it's bullish or bearish, usually the overall market follows oil. Roughly, I mean, generally, I mean. But it came out at 10:30, and it just spiked up. And usually, when that happens, usually the stock market generally follows it, somewhat. And a lot of times, stocks will follow the overall movement of oil. So I was banking on there's going to be a lot of follow through with SINO, but there just wasn't. It was just it just bounced and it took a crap pretty much. And $81 loss. That's not too bad, but just a disappointing day. Weather's pretty nice outside, so maybe that'll give me a reason to go outside for a walk or something and enjoy this nice weather of like 40 degrees or something like that. Snow's all starting to melt. Maybe me and my son will go downtown and walk around downtown or something. Get some fresh air. Maybe go to a local pizza place or something. But yeah, I mean, my stop was pretty tight at 1.5%. And I'm like, well, this thing moves like it can move like an additional, like 10%, 15, 20%. So I'm thinking this is gonna make its way. Let's see, back up to here. Around, and maybe it would break this, maybe it wouldn't, maybe, but it just looked like it was gonna consolidated right here, broke above VWAP with a lot of volume. I mean, I really got excited when I saw all that volume, like, coming in. Like right here, it was like 140,000 in this one 5 minute candle, and I mean, there's a lot of buyers and a lot of buyers here, and it's, usually when you see a lot of buyers stepping up, and they're usually it's usually a lot of shorts covering and buyers at the same time. You'll see that a lot with failed short setups. You'll see short sellers having to buy to cover, then that turned into a buy for regular buyers. Um, but yeah, it's a disappointing day, but I'll get back on it tomorrow and see if I can't recoup some of this money and make some additional money. But you see, I mean, it looks good. Bounced right here. Looked like it was gonna continue higher, but it took a, yeah. I was looking to get probably like make between like $400 or $500 on this trade, but oh well. You win some, you lose some. That's the way you got to look at it. It's not the end of the world. Just got to keep your losses extremely, extremely small, and be picky about the trades that you take. And don't hold and hope, because that's probably the worst thing you could ever do. If you're praying and hoping, you're probably going to lose some more money. But I'll get off here. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.